So, hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're actually going to this hotel called Andaz, a concept by Hyatt, and it's located near Bugis area, and it's really cool. It's a 5-star hotel. The exterior design of it looks like honeycombs, and it's like at the dual residence tower or something like that. It has a 25th story. I think it was a rooftop. No, it's an outdoor swimming pool and a 25th story rooftop bar. And it's a 24-hour dining fitness facility as well. So I can't wait to go there now because today is National Day, and I'm unsure when will the video be posted, but yes, and this is my mom. Okay, so she's the videographer every time doing the editing as well, and I'm just the one talking to the camera. Okay, so see you when we reach the hotel, okay, and bye bye!
You heard it, yeah?
Yeah, this is the hotel upstairs. We have just arrived at the car park in the Dual Galleria tower. So Andaz do not have a car park on their own, so you gotta park in the Dual Galleria, something like the Dual Residences Towers car park. And the good thing about public holidays and weekends is that per entry is $3.75, so it's really cheap for this area. So now we're gonna go check in our hotel. Hopefully we can check in because it's still before the time of our check-in time. So let's go. We are going into the 25th floor. We're going up to the 25th floor, which is where you can check in. The check-in counter is there, and that's where you have your pool, your outdoor pool, and 38th floor is my fitness center, the 24 hours. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, block. Check-in area, there's drinks for you to take as well. Look at that. Yeah, Andaz iced tea. So we just checked in into our rooms on the 29th floor, 290. Oh, my favorite number 9. And they have this lounge here, which is complimentary for all the guests. So you can go in at 24 hours, like you have your coffee, your tea, small little snacks, and everyone that check in with you can just enter as long as you show their cards. And here they have like 3 different restaurants. One, I think it was 2 that is here, and there's a steakhouse. Oh, there's 3 restaurants and a steakhouse. So yes, we're gonna maybe go and walk around. Oh yeah, there's a gym on the 38th floor. Oh yeah, I already said that in the lift, but yes, I can't wait. So let's go to our room now. Bye bye. Is this side. Way to our room. You can see the doors are like, look at the traditional door knob that you can use it as a doorbell. Wow, the rooms are like quite spacious. They look apart, so I think I open. Oh, so this is our room. Okay, I think this is where you tap your key because. Oh, cool. What? Wait, I forgot not the. It's not doorknob. Chair. Okay. Oh, the curtain automatically opened by itself. Wow! What? Oh, I thought this was sliding down. Wow!
Oh, it's like Capri.
Oh, look, the curtain is still going up. It's still going up. Wow! Oh yeah, so they say that the minibar here is complimentary and it will be refilled once a day. Beers. I didn't see that. Papa sitting there. How to close the door? I need to figure out. Is it a door? No, this is not a door. Oh, the door is this. Oh, oops, sorry. Oh, then you can shower here. Ooh, let's see their soap. Okay. Welcome to the toilet. Let's go. So let's start off with this thing. Oh, look at this. Is this amazing? I just got a puppy cake because my birthday is tomorrow. And dearest Geraldine. Oh, no wonder they took my IC. You want to see how to spell my name? Oh, that's so nice. Cute. But who's this guy? I don't have one. Grey hair. He wears green shirt. He wears red pants. And but let's continue with the toilet first before we check this out. So let's go back to the toilet. Oh yeah, continuing on. Wow, is this thing movable? Oh no, it's not movable. Okay, so it's just a big little block. And oh yeah, this mirror. Wait, mirror. Look, it's like a big pizza pan. It's like and then the pizza hook. Okay, now I'm going to the what they give, what they provide. You look at this cute little puzzle thing that comes with a cap. Oh, but it's really heavy. Okay, so what they have here is a razor, a cotton pad, shower cap, cotton bud, toothbrush, hairbrush, toothbrush. Typical stuff from a hotel amenities, but they put it really nicely. There's small towels. Oh yeah, wow. Their shower.
Shower.
So, their tap is quite nice. They label it cold and hot so that we won't mess it up. And yeah, this is a hard place. You can put your stuff. Body lotion. Oh, pure vegetable soap. Vegan. You can eat it. You can eat it. Okay. Shower robe, bathrobes. Okay, and then going to the shower area. Wow, this thing better don't on it. But you can press select again. So you can choose that, or you can choose this. This one you can act like a microphone, or you can just shower. And then temperature, they label it nicely for you. There is a shower gel, a shampoo, and hair balm. Hair balm? Is this supposed to be a conditioner? Hair balm, I thought balm is for how you apply on your lips. Okay. This is a walk-in wardrobe, so you can close all doors. So like example, the door was here. You can. Is this a door? No, it's not a door. Okay, it's not a door.
This one.
Only this one is a door.
Yeah, but this is a walk-in.
After you close it, there's a walk-in wardrobe, and this one here is where you get to enjoy your peaceful time alone.
Hey, but where is my son?
You can pee and you can do your big business here. Okay, wait. Hold the door. Toilet bowl! Okay, that's it for the toilet tour. Now let's go to the room. Okay. Oh, this is a mirror. Okay, now let's move to the rooms and the view.
Now he is here.
Okay, the two men are using the speaker that is provided by the hotel. So you can blast music in this amazing looking room, staring out at that picturesque view of the city. You can see the statue. You see over there, 4 men on the wall holding 4 balls. In case they drop it down. I don't know, but okay. So you can see this really nice view while lying on your amazing bed. So these are the things that are not included in the complimentary items of the list. So this small little bottle, guess how much is this? $55. And you can buy a big one at this price. Wow, okay, but never mind, it's okay about all this that is not complimentary because they have a complimentary minibar for you that I mentioned earlier on. It's located here. Okay, so they have a capsule coffee. You can make your Nespresso capsule shots. And here, okay, it's not much, but there's a potato chips for you. Oats and honey bar, which I love. And then they have your drinks located here. Oh, chocolate almonds, I love this. Creamer, your drink, soda, tonic, 100 plus. Milo! You have your orange juice, your Tiga beer, Tiger beer. Bishan why they never put Bugis? Oh, they have a Andaz Pale LA. Is it? I don't know how to pronounce, but I think it's their own brand alcohol drink. And yeah, oh, they have soda water as well, or sparkling water. So yes, this is the complimentary bar that is refillable for you once a day. And oh, the smart TV is on. So this is the smart TV that is by Samsung. Not trying to sponsor, but their TV is really big and clear, and it's a smart TV, so means I think you can search the internet. Now moving on to the bed. I'm sorry, it's a bit messy because we sat on it just now, but let me feel it. Oh, it's not like those typical soft mattress. Yeah, let me just sit on it. Oh, it's quite firm. Wow. It's like I said, sorry about the messiness. They actually pack it really clean, just that we sat on it and the bed sheets are a little bit crumpled, but yes, these are the 2 beds. So I just found out that their eat-in menu is like from this big thing. So they also give you like, where can you eat near this hotel area, or this is the eat-in menu from the hotel from their different restaurants, the steakhouse, this alley on 25, other things, and they even give you like a map of like where to walk and what are the locations nearby. And lastly, oh, there's buffet, lazy weekend breakfast as well. Ooh, okay, wow, interesting. Go. Just love this unique design of the hotel's menu that is placed in this newspaper-like form menu. So let's go down to the gym, go up to the gym and check the swimming pool out. See ya. So this is the rooftop pool, I guess, and you have a view of a nice view of Singapore, I guess, like the city view. Although like Marina Bay is blocked, but you can still see Esplanade, the Singapore Flyers, that building that's where you used to work. I remember. So now let's go to the gym. Bye. This is the fitness center. You need a card too. And then you can. Oh, it's a pool. It's a pool. And let's go in. Oh, yeah. Cold water and your towel to maybe clean out your face and start the workout. And they have normal temperature. Oh, they even have headphones for you to use when you gym. Oh, they have like different equipment. Not bad. And my running machine or treadmill with a nice view of the city as well. Oh, you can normally just stay here to gym and watch the fireworks. The opposite is the where the NDP is gonna take place. Well, you can gym and watch fireworks. So let's go. I'm gonna go work out now. Bye. Look at the lounge. They provide like drinks and snacks for you and some coffee and drink. Cookie! Your favorite? Coffee also. And your tea. And they have like selections of teas and like coffee. Okay, so this is the end of our short staycation here at Andaz, a concept by Hyatt. And what I felt, okay, sorry, the music a little loud because okay, we are at the lounge having our last snacks here at the lounge. So I'll just end it off here. So firstly, I like to say that this hotel is really great, like the facilities, the people, okay, except for maybe the staffs that work in the restaurant. Maybe they could smile a little bit more, but the front office staffs were really friendly, really nice and approachable, and they were really friendly. Yeah. So maybe that's just one thing they could improve on. Other than that, like everything here was great, and I wouldn't mind coming back here again, like maybe next year, who knows. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and if you like to watch another hotel review that I've done previously, you can click there or like there, I don't know where, but somewhere. So yeah, that's it for now. Do give a like, a subscribe, and comment down below what other things I should do, like what other videos I should do. So bye bye. will be out first or yours will be out. I don't know, but okay, whoever video is out, do check it out. Like at that corner there, the icon, or it's in the recommended list, or you can just go and search the latest video. So yes, that's it from. Thank you for the cake. Really, I appreciate it a lot because you know I love cakes and.